Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's Jonathan Miller here. I'm back at Audi Wynwood on this beautiful sunny late March day, and I'm going to film this new 2018 Audi S4. Let's check it out. If you guys are new here, please subscribe, hit that like button, and please comment below. I'd be happy to talk to you guys. Tell me what you like about this car, what you don't like about it, what you'd like to see in other videos, and let's begin. Here we have a 2018 Audi S4 sedan, 3-liter turbo quattro Tiptronic. This is Florett Silver metallic, and it has a black interior. This car has the navigation system package, the S Sport package, which gives you the red brake calipers, sport adaptive dampening suspension, sport rear differential. It has fine Napa leather interior as an option. It has these 19-inch wheels. They are 19-inch 5-spoke V-design contrasting gray with two 45/35 summer tires. This car has the carbon Atlas inlays, the Audi beam rings when you open up the doors that shine on the ground. Weather mats, first aid kit. Starting price $51,400. This car stickers at $61,090. So let's look at the performance of this car. As you can see, V6T, which denotes a V6 twin scroll turbo, a single turbo. The S4 badge. Let's pop this hood. These hoods are really heavy. So here it is, the V6 TFSI motor. It's a twin scroll single turbo with a match to an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission, quattro 4-wheel drive. This motor makes 354 horsepower at 5,400 RPM, 369 pound-feet of torque, very low at 1,370 RPM. It'll do a 0 to 60 in 4.4. It has 13.8 front and 13.1 inch rear rotors. The car weighs about 3,860 pounds. So let's look in here. As you can see, we have a heat shield blocking the heat from the turbo and the downpipe back there. This is where you can put your oil in. I don't believe this car has a dipstick like most new cars. It's an electronic dipstick. Here we have the intake box, which is plastic. On the RS5, this tube at least is metal. And also you can find your windshield washer reservoir fill in the front passenger side fender, so the bottle sits in that fender. Easy access to your battery. Here's your positive and a ground. It'll be cool to see what this motor looks like without this plastic engine cover. Here is the ECU, the computer. Computers these days do a lot more than control the engine. There are so many gizmos and gadgets, electronic wizardry in cars these days. So that is a very important piece of your car. So I've done a lot of RS cars. This is the first just regular S. I don't want to say regular because S cars are very special. The S4 was the first S car introduced, mainstream S car introduced in the United States with the B5 body. My brother had one of those in Nogara Blue, fantastic car. But here we have a look at the grille. The shape is very Audi. That's their new design shape for the front grille. Not as aggressive a front fascia as the RS cars. Audi always has some of the snazziest headlights and taillights in the business. This Florett Silver, I'm going on a silver kick right now. I mean, silver when it's clean, even when it's dirty, it's just, I love it. Looking at these 19-inch wheels, match the car like a two-tone silver, a light silver, and a dark silver. big red calipers, probably a 6-piston there. It's got this little side skirt running down the side. Easy to know an S car are these aluminum look mirrors. If you see those coming, you're probably guaranteed that it's an S car. Let's walk down the side. Here's the rear wheel. The tiny little caliper, at least it's red so it looks nice. So the back of the car, it's got the new Audi LED taillights. It's got a big S4 badge there. Quad exhaust tips, not as aggressive as a diffuser. It's like a dull gray plastic. Much smaller tips than the RS cars. The RS cars usually have a really large one oval tip on each side. Little shark fin for the navigation system, and this car has the glass moonroof. Let's take a look at the interior. This car has a black Napa leather interior. We have black leather on the doors, black Alcantara, the carbon Atlas inlay trim, the Bang & Olufsen sound system. You're greeted with the S side sill. We have the S seat. It's a one piece. The headrest is built into the seat. It has the silver stitching with the diamond pattern in the middle of the seat. We have the S logo in the seat. Once again, really nice small 3-spoke flat bottom steering wheel. Lots of traffic here today. We have the Audi virtual cockpit. As you can see, navigation on the left right now, tachometer in the middle, and it's beeping at me. Looks like a 6500 red line. I know that the screen is adjustable. You can put whatever you want in there. The infotainment screen, right now it has the Audi Drive Select, so you can set up, we'll go individual. We can set up engine, transmission, suspension, steering, sport differential, and engine sound, so we can open up that exhaust. The climate control systems, all the buttons in Audi look very similar, car to car, with the 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission, carbon fiber trim on the dash, the famous Quattro badge. Alright, so let's start this car up on the inside. I'll show you how this stick shift knob, not stick shift, gear shift lever works. So foot on the brake. Here is the engine start button. And we roar into life. So here is the little shifter. This is the parking brake, so you pull it up. Sorry, we push it down and you'll feel the brake release. The rear electronic parking brake will release. And this little shifter, so press this button, push forward, neutral, again, reverse, back to neutral, and into drive. So where is park? So park is right here. We'll press P, and that puts us in park. We can push down, push up, sorry guys, to engage the parking brake again. And it will also tell you in the dash. So we are in park, N for neutral, S for dynamic shifting, D for drive, neutral, reverse. Here's your rear view camera. We have a new Q5 behind us with the parking sensors there and a nice view on the camera. and then we'll stick it back in park. And we'll switch it off here. So what did you guys think about that exhaust clip? Sounded pretty good from inside of the car. I'll have to check the video to see what it sounds like from the outside. And hopefully we'll get to drive one of these days. And then we'll get to hear it while we drive. So 2018 Audi S4 Florett Silver. Very pretty color. Very clean looking car. Great performance. Reasonably priced, lots of tech. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this walk around and talk about the 2018 Audi S4. Thanks to my friends at Audi Wynwood once again for letting me check out this car. And if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like if you liked the video, and of course comment below. I'd love to talk to you guys. Little view of what's in the showroom. A sold RS5 Coupe Nardo Gray. That video should be up before this one, so you guys can take a walk around that car with me. So once again, I'm Jonathan Miller. It's jonathanmiller.com. Has all the links to my social media, Instagram. Definitely check out my Instagram. Got a lot of cool stuff on there. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon. Take care, and happy holidays to everybody.